right. Nice music once again. And in a little while, we have a chat with the artiste. But before that, we talk some back to school stuff. So earlier, I had a chat with a financial advisor helping you with your back to school budget. And I'm sure Natalia always on board with keeping the trends big and the price tag small, I'm told. Good morning, my friend.
Good morning.
Good to see you once again.
Thanks for having us as usual.
Yeah, man. So you started a back to school sale. So
We did.
It started already.
Yes, it started Monday, August 13th, and it runs to August 25th.
And this would be at all the Maxi stores?
Yes, 7 locations, all discounts on all back to school items, school related items.
And school related items would be what? Like uniform?
Khaki uniforms, shirts, white shirts, white blouses,
For the
PE
sixth
gear,
formers,
yes,
right.
sixth formers, navy blue pants, gray pants, bags, shoes, socks, all your back to school essentials.
And you've brought bags, shoes, and some lunch kits.
And everything.
And stuff with us. All right, talk me through what we're looking at here now.
Okay, so all your backpacks, we have authentic JanSport, Kenneth Cole reaction bags. These are durable. They're authentic Dickies as well, another big brand. And we also have budget-friendly backpacks ranging from $2,000 and up. Denim, funky. The college students love those as well.
And so I was just going to ask, because these would be backpacks for the youngsters and for the...
All the way up, from
old
elementary to university.
Even old people like me.
Everybody. And also we want to say we offer discounts for teachers.
Okay.
So if you present your valid JTA ID, you get up to 15 to 50% off selected items for teachers, male and women.
And that would be school-related again?
Yes, school-related, corporate wear.
Okay.
So the cashiers, the managers, they determine this is your corporate wear. Yes, you'll get your discount if you present your ID.
Okay, and there you go. Enjoy 15 to 50% off work attire, bags, shoes, and much more. And it's available at all the Maxis. All right, so the bags, obviously, the different brands will be different prices.
Yeah, different prices. And the bags are all 15% off.
Oh, the bags are all 15%?
Yeah,
all
the bags
of the
are 15% off, right.
Yeah, and you have some little lunch kits here that you've brought also.
Yeah, the lunch kits, they keep your drinks cool and your lunches hot.
And they're on sale also?
They're all on sale.
Yeah?
All school related. We also have books and pencils, stationery items, anything for school. Maxi's your one-stop back to school headquarters, and we urge everyone to hurry and take advantage of the sale. It runs till the 25th, next week, Saturday. Don't wait on the last week for school before you head over.
Everett, go back to this one here, because this one is also almost like a little traveling bag.
Yes, weekender bags as well.
Right, the youngsters like this one because they could just roll them through. Because some of these books are really heavy.
They are.
So you don't want everything on the back, do you?
That's true, no.
This is fantastic.
So the rollers.
And again, you could get all these at
everything. The sale is on, so urge everyone to hurry in.
You brought a couple of young'uns with you.
Yes, we did.
A couple of mommies also.
Yes, some teachers and students. We have Kyle and Leah coming out.
Here's Kyle and here's Leah.
And the brother and sister.
There you go. Nice little khaki
And of course the khaki uniforms. We have from sizes 2 all the way up to size 38 for our big guys in high school.
And they have everything. They
have and the PE gear.
They have the backpack.
PE gear, shoes, everything, your belts. All those are available as well.
There you go. You could get all of that. They look like little models already.
Well, they've been here before. Kyle is actually the face of our Maxi calendar this year.
He's a Kyle.
Yeah. We also want to mention Neville's swimwear for the kids who are swimming. Thank you, Kyle and Leah. Swimwear, your dancing attire, leotards, all that stuff that you need for back to school, we have them as well.
Yeah, because that would be
That's a part of it, yeah, the extracurriculars. Yeah.
Fantastic.
So we invite Miss Lynn out. Sashani Lynn is a teacher at Kingston Technical High, Kingston Technical. And she picked her own outfit. She does shop at Maxi. And
Easy, miss. Miss, what you teach, miss?
Language, literature, and literacy.
Language, literature, and literacy.
Yeah.
Easy, miss. I like your outfit, miss.
So everything she's wearing would be on sale for her when she presents her ID. 15 to 50% off selected items. We also want to remind our teachers that we do have accessories, makeup, perfumes. She said she's done this before.
I like it. She's very confident.
She's been here before.
Miss, I know the students on holiday, but you can wave to them still quietly. All right, there you go. And we have another teacher?
Yeah, we have another teacher coming out, Renee.
One miss.
Well, Renee's not a teacher, actually. but she's a student of life, and she's also the face of our Maxi calendar. And yeah, but you know, young entrepreneur, she's entering the workforce as well. So we do want to remind our viewers that like NCU is very cold, so we have sweaters for all the students going back to school.
That's in Mandeville.
Yes, Mandeville.
Yeah,
so that's a big part of our demographic. So we want to remind everybody about
everything.
that. We have everything. The big store.
Yeah, you have the uniform, the bag, the sweater.
Right, everything.
Everything.
So her tote, everything she's wearing, if you're a teacher and you presented her ID, you would receive 15 to 50% off selected items. So we invite everyone else out.
Come, Kyle. What's the young miss? What's her
Leah.
name? Come, Leah.
She's a little shy today.
Come, Leah. Leah, you have to smile. You're on TV. Leah said, this is too early. You know, wake me up too early and put so many things on my back and have to be carrying. Hi, Leah. Leah. Hey, Leah. Hey, Leah. Smile, Leah. Smile. Give everybody a smile. Oh, look at that. Everybody has smile, Leah. Soon have to go back to school, Leah, which is probably going to be fun for her. Smile now, Leah. You're on TV. Smile. Ah, Leah, you were gorgeous. Miss, say your free paper soon, bud, miss. There you go. All right, so again, all the Maxi stores, where are they, please?
Wow.
Your memory goes
Mandeville, Maypen, Montego Bay, Santa Cruz, Ocho Rios, Kingston, and Portmore. Right. So visit our website if you need store locations. And we do have a winner from last week's giveaway. So check the Facebook page for the announcement. And we will also be running another giveaway today, starting today.
And by the way, they gave me a gift, so thank you very much. Natalia, she always give me things when she comes. Still, not like it's the first time. No, she ready. Yeah, man, no, she ready. But your TV time finished, unfortunately. She's a marketing consultant with Maxi Department Stores, Natalia O. All right, so apparently it don't name cocktails this morning, it named mocktails. So we cool down with mocktails on the other side of the break. Soon come. Stay with us, please.